These are those. Oh, fell down. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been quite some time now that I've not uploaded any book haul video on this channel. It's been a while. Today I've come up with some books, quite a lot of books actually. Some of this I had made an Instagram reel some time back and posted, but after that I had bought some more books. So I thought collectively I'll make a book haul video in this YouTube and show you guys. Let's get started. In no particular order, I'm going to start this. Not sure if I can able to show you the whole of books, but I'll just show you a glimpse. These are those. Oh, fell down. I thought it will fall down, and it fell down. Let's get started. The first book is it's a most famous, hyped, and Goodreads award-winning book for thriller category, and I think it's Book Talk hyped, YouTube Shorts hyped, everywhere it's hyped. And that book is any guesses? It's The House Made by Frida McFadden. So this was my first book of Frida McFadden. Okay, I have completed reading this book while making this video. I can just say that if you are a beginner on the reading journey and you have not read any book till now and something you want to read as a first timer, and if it's a thriller or suspense book that you want to read, then go for this. It's that hooking. The hooking factor is too much, and the hype is worth it for the beginner as such. But since I've read quite a few books on thriller category, I knew that the ending coming, how it is going, how it is, who is the culprit, everything. It sort of could be guessed. But for a beginner, this is the right book, I would say. Just go for it. Me being a slow reader, I finished this book reading in 5 to 6 days. The writing style of Frida McFadden is phenomenal. It will make you think while you sleep, while you get up. It makes you think that I should read this book. It's that kind of book. So go pick this up book. So the next book, this book is a biography book. I was following up this lady for quite some time now, and I definitely liked her interviews, her confidence, and as a women achiever, I just wanted to know more about her life. As the book itself described, it was my life in full. I finished reading this book as well. I was quite disappointed actually. It was not her life in full. It was just a facts and figures of the company she was working majorly. A little bit snippet of her life was there. If I would have to tell you, you can skip it or read it. Probably somewhere in between. Yeah, that's it. Next book also is a famous author. She's known for controversy as well, but uh, her books are selling good. That's all you can say. Her one movie has already come out, and a couple of movies are coming this year. One is this one, which is Verity by Colleen Hoover. This I just started. I have just started reading it, so I don't know much about it. It seems like thriller. So let's see how it goes. The next book, this author is something my husband had read earlier. So he wanted to read more of her books. It's again a suspense thriller. So he bought this one. It is, I have not much, but she's a famous author, that much I know. It's The Night She Disappeared by Lisa Jones. Okay, the next book is it's a rom-com read. So whenever I was searching for rom-com read books, most in Instagram Reels as well as YouTube Shorts or anywhere, this book used to come up. It's nothing but Better Than Movies by Lynn Painter. I haven't read from this author anytime now, so this also is going to be my first book, and I'm going to read this year. So the next set of books, there are two sets of books. One is it's a series, and another one is four books, a set of four books which is from the same author. Now this series, I'd like to say that series is of a genre that I have not read till now. So I'm not an avid reader as such. It's not like other booktubers. I don't read like 10 books, 20, 12 books, 15 books in a month. But in a year, I read 5 to 6 books, or max it has gone like 12 books, not more than that. And mythology, especially Indian mythology, is some genre which I have not touched till now. I haven't read any books out of Indian mythology. Haven't started yet. So I thought maybe I can start it now this year, at least start with one book. So that's why I picked the Shiva trilogy by Amish Tripathi. I'm sure you all must be knowing about this author. He's a very famous author for the mythology genre. So at least I think probably one book out of this series I'm going to read this year. So that is that. Final set of four books is from one author. She's a very famous author who has got Goodreads Choice Awards for rom-com genre. I think from past consecutive 3 to 4 years, she only has got it. She's and the author is nothing but Emily Henry. And the books are Beach Read, Book Lovers, Happy Place, and People We Meet on Vacation. This book I have already read and I've already dropped a book review on this channel. Go check it out. I don't want to say much about it. You can check its review on the my channel itself. So that's all, guys. So these were some of the books that I read this year. If you all like this video, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon. Bye bye.